It's called Love in the Face of Terror. Here we go. Try to sow hatred in our hearts. They try to sow fear in our souls. They try to replace the light with the dark. We cannot let them achieve their goals. Stay true to the love inside. Stay true to the light in you. Stay true to the bonds that abide. Let that light shine through. They create horror, the news oblige. Don't keep your eyes fixed on them. Remember to look around, see all the good there is. We're all connected in the end. Stay true to the love inside. Stay true to the light in you. Stay true to the bonds that abide. Let that light shine through. They use atrocity to terrorize, to make us hide or flee or fight. But in the end, evil will lose when we keep our humanity inside. Stay true to the love inside. Stay true to the light in you. Stay true to the bonds that abide. Let that light shine through. Stay true to the love inside. Stay true to the light in you. Stay true to the bonds that abide. Keep that light shining through. Keep that light shining through. Thank you.